don't know. I find myself getting like a little pat on the back afterward, like, oh, congratulations, you did it. Even though I'm really just being pulled around, right? All right, you guys, thank you so much. You guys have been such a great crowd. Good night.
How about Brittany, y'all? Next we got a first timer up on the mic. Get up here, Tyler. Ooh, what you sipping on? Can I get some of that? I'm just playing. Get up here.
What up, dipshit?
How about that airplane food?
Friendship. Hey there, boys and girls. We're so happy you could join us on this very special day, hanging out with my best friend, Murph. Say hi, Murph. Well, Murph seems to be a bit quiet today, but that's all right. Hopefully everyone at home will be participants. Are we all ready for the word of the day? Murph, what is our word of the day?
Equal.
Yeah. That's right, Murph. I knew you would perk up. Today's word is equal. Treat others how you would want to be treated.
Treat good people good.
Exactly. Murph is on it today.
And treat bad people bad.
Well, not quite that, Murph, but along that idea, equality.
Ha! Equal.
Cut.
The new Murph is awful. What happened?
Probably getting his nerves out. First day on. He used to work here. His voice is perfect, though.
All right, and we're back in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you're live.
Hey! Hope we didn't make you kiddos wait too long. Well now, after learning our word of the day, I think everyone at home knows what time it is. Game time! Today's game is synonyms. I'm gonna say the word of the day, and everyone at home is gonna say a synonym, a word that is similar. You ready, Murph?
Uh-huh.
Alrighty then. Let's start off with the word of the day. Equal.
Fuck you!
Cut the cameras now.
No.
Murph, what's going on?
Hello, David.
David. Who's David? It's me. Me, Wybie.
The lights were so bright.
What?
Do you know why I'm a puppet? Because I sound like a puppet. And you know why I sound like a puppet? Because of a joke! Look at me! Look at me! You shot my balls off, David! Why'd you do it, David? Why'd you do it?
You cost me my social life. And you almost cost me my career. I love being Wybie. You got Mark fired. And you're not funny.
I'm not funny? I'm not funny. Damn it, David! I'm fucking infernal! My fiance broke off our engagement because I can't reproduce. I paid through a fucking machine, man! My voice is permanently high because I can't produce enough testosterone. I worked hard as a janitor to get out of this hellhole place to pursue my dreams of becoming a comedian. But the only place that would hire someone who sounds like a fucking helium balloon is this same goddamn children's puppet show.
You don't understand. I bring kids joy. I touched their hearts. You don't understand.
You are sick in the head, man. And you already hired him, knowing that. You want to talk about equality, David? All right. Let's talk about it then.
Tyler, put the gun down.
That night at the comedy club, you didn't let me finish my joke. You see, the last part was intentionally supposed to not be funny. After I say, how about that airplane food, and none of you laugh. I say, aw, tough crowd. I guess that one didn't land.
Okay. Well, it's still not that funny.